Regitze. What should you do if you have a new ad account? If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram ads, please give me a like and follow. But let's jump into it. What should you do if you have a new ad account and it's the first time you're running ads? Well, actually, you shouldn't do anything different than if it was an established ad account with lots of purchases and leads behind it. Because you should still optimize for leads or conversions or whatever it is that you want. A lot of people they want to run a traffic campaign or engagement campaigns on a new ad account to kind of train it, but you're just training it to get engagement and traffic. You're not really training it to get leads and sales. So it's much better to just optimize for what you want, leads or sales from the beginning, and just be aware it's not going to perform the best in the beginning, but you just go through that learning phase and you'll get much better data on your pixel and on your ad account. Comment below if you have any questions, and if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in getting leads and clients for coaches and consultants with the Instagram and Facebook ads. You can book a call with me or my team to learn more. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs, link in the description. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care, bye!